Welcome to Palladio University. Today we're going to be covering all of the different kinds of primers, how to choose the right one for your client, and how to apply it. The first step is determining the client's skin type. Sometimes just by asking, tell me a little bit about your skin, they'll give you the answers that you need to hear. Sometimes you need to do a little bit more digging. So some of the things you can ask are, how does your skin feel after you wash your face? Do you see any shine throughout the day? And if they say yes, where? If your client sees shine throughout the day in the T-zone area only and not so much on the cheeks, then they probably have combination skin. If they tell you they see oil everywhere on the face, then they have oily skin. Pro tip: don't be afraid to pick up different primers for different areas of the face depending on your client's needs. For example, if Gia was extremely shiny through the T-zone, as she is, we would pick up a mattifying oil controlling primer. And if she told me that she was very dehydrated on the cheek area, I could use a primer that's more hydrating specifically on the cheeks. I'm using the Rice Primer on Gia's forehead and nose to control shine. Using both hands allows the client to feel that you're confident in your application. So make sure that at all times, both hands are on the face on each side symmetrically. And on the cheeks, we're using the Ultra Hydration Moisturizing Primer. This is the original foundation primer. It's one of our best-selling formulas, and it's infused with green tea, which is a powerful antioxidant, as well as aloe and chamomile, which are soothing to the skin. This is the Glowing Illuminating Primer. It has the same base as the original formula, but this one has added pearl pigments for a luminous finish. This is the Rice Primer. It's formulated with rice, which has mattifying and oil control properties. This is the Ultra Hydration Moisturizing Primer. It's formulated with coconut oil to give dry skin a hydrating boost. This is the Skin Detox Clarifying Primer. It's formulated with charcoal, which is clarifying. When you apply it, it comes out dark, but it dries clear. And now her skin is perfectly prepped for foundation.